In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload transactions manually in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's head on over to the Transactions tab in the left side where you will see the menu. Click on Transactions and head on over to Bank Transactions. Okay, so after that, let's head on over to this button right here, the link account, and then you will see a drop down arrow. Just click it and you will see upload from file and manage connections and order checks. So just click on upload from file and it will take us to this page where we will be importing the bank transactions. So you can manually upload your transactions here, and you can also drag and drop or select files. So let's just select the file, and for this example I have a sample right here, and just click on continue, and it will take you to this page where you will be answering a few questions, which account you are these transactions from. You can select a QuickBooks account for the file you want to upload, and then just click on cache and click on continue. So just set up your file in QuickBooks and answer the questions that they have, and then after you've filled up the necessary information that you need, just click on save and close in the end, and that's about it. That's how you upload transactions manually in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.